Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications. Just a swipe down from the top, do so twice to reveal all the toggles, and then on one of the pages you will find a hotspot toggle, hopefully. Now it looks like it's not added by default for some reason, so let's just stop right here on this little pencil. I'm gonna scroll down, and as you can see, hotspot is one of the first toggles that we can add. So from here, just hold it. The text right here will change to drag here to remove, so we're gonna drag to the top, drop it, and when we go back we should have access to it somewhere in our list now. As you can see, for me it's right over here, so once you see the toggle, hold it again, and this will now take you quickly to the settings. From here you want to navigate to Wi-Fi Hotspot and select your hotspot password. Now the reason why I do this is because hotspot password is randomly generated, so without navigating in here you have no way of knowing what it is. Now you could use this one, but as you can see it's absolutely atrocious, so what I recommend doing is removing it and selecting your own password. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing. You can also get a quick glance at your hotspot name. As you can see, it's right here. You can change this if you want to, but by default it's the name of the device, so it's usually easy to find. Now from here, once it's set up, you can find the toggle once again, and whenever you want to use it, simply tap on it and you're good to go. Now once you're done with it, you tap on it once more to turn it off. Now quickly navigating back in here, we also have this option right here, so turn off hotspot automatically. This is enabled by default and I recommend keeping it that way. So once you forget to turn off your hotspot, the device will do it for you after, I believe, like 10 minutes of inactivity. Inactivity meaning 10 minutes of not using your hotspot whatsoever. So the reason I also recommend doing so is because hotspot, when enabled, will obviously consume more of your battery, and if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. And also it looks like when it comes down to hotspot, it shows me in the internet connection that I'm connected to my mobile network instead of Wi-Fi, even though this is the Wi-Fi field, I believe. So anyway. But yeah, anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.